So we have Dr. Sriram here with us, a very proud graduate from Alpha International Academy. Hi, Sriram. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am.
Great. So first, I would like to ask you, how did you feel when you saw your FMGE results?
When I wrote the FMGE, I was like, I thought I will be 50-50, whether I will be passing or failing because of the way I prepared for the exam. I was not good enough to get the, like, some students are, the paper was easy. For me, the paper was like 50-50.
Right.
So I was like, I told my parents that it can be either way. It can be I can be a pass or I can be a fail. And my mother was fixed for the next 6 months to prepare for the next attempt. But the way we trained in the clinical questions in R2TMC, that helped me to pass. Like, we can't say this answer is correct because all the options were correct and we need to choose the best option.
Right.
So to choose the best option, you need to be in clinically well practiced. Yeah. So I got 165. So the 30-40 marks came from the clinical questions. So that helps me to get pass. And even my friends who got failed, almost 25 members were 140 plus. It means just 10 marks away from their passing rate.
Right.
So it's like most of them did well, but my experience was I passed because of R2TMC, the clinical experience.
Fantastic. So tell us about what is the added advantage that, Alpha International Academy gave you compared to the ones which you see here today in India.
To be honest, I came from a well-settled family. So I was like, I got everything. So, but when I go to the Philippines, I was not happy with the food. I was not happy with the, what they say, room facilities like that. But when I go to a tour to other college in Philippines, and some other students came to our college to visit our college, and they told the real settings like, oh, you got these things. And I was shocked. And I went there to the other colleges and they don't have proper food, they don't have proper dorm facilities, and we were complaining of this. So then I realized, we are in a good state. Because in some countries today, you can see 4 students were stabbed in the Russian college and nobody is there. They are complaining for the Indian embassy to help them. And 4 students were stabbed in the campus and nobody is response for them. But you can't say that. Almost every day you can see in the news, Philippines got flood, and everybody were like, my grandparents used to call me, oh Sriram, you're safe or not. And Solano, you see the geographical location of Solano, you can't get the earthquake or flood or no natural calamities. So that's the advantage you
have.
In case of the PLT,
Natural death.
they have a good geographical location.
Right.
So that's the thing I can say.
Right. So you were able to know that you were in a very best place and you knew what the diamonds were right next to you. Fantastic. So tell us, did you really want to become a doctor ever since whatever your childhood, or at some point of your life you have decided, or I don't know, was it something that your parents wanted? You should be telling us. And how do you feel today after getting this doctorate?
Actually, to be honest, I was a sports player. Even in college, they used to call me like, oh, this guy was good in sports. And my parents thought me really I will be a PT teacher or something in sports, because I was the national level skating champion and then a cricket district level player.
Okay.
So due to some reasons, I choose pure biology. I mean pure science.
Right.
So you can't go to the engineering way and you just wants to go in a pure science or biological way, and that is the only option. I go to my higher studies for the Hyderabad to study 11th and 12th, and there I realized I was okay, I can study further, and I wrote a NEET UG, but there was no idea. If you ask me before 10 years or something, no idea I will be a doctor. But I go with the flow, and we were in this state. Everybody was like shocked. Even my relatives, my parents were shocked how you became a doctor. Even I was shocked, to be honest.
Right.
Yeah, it's like every middle class family wants their child to be in safe position. To winning or losing is not, but they want to be in safe. So getting into this career feels like I'm in safe position right now.
Fantastic. So I really love that you've been so honest about your journey and so, down to earth to say that I really didn't want to become, but I've become today. So you can also count yourself as a very, I would not call it lucky, partially lucky, but you put in a lot of effort for it.
Yeah.
You couldn't have been positive
Yeah.
about that, right? So fantastic. So now being a doctor, what do you like to serve or what do you like to do for the people?
To be honest, again, nowadays we are creating a diseases. Like if you are a mechanic or if you are a engineer, you want customers to be in. But as your doctor, you should not wish patients to be in.
Wow.
Right? So as a doctor, I will always recommend go with a healthy diet and
Stay away from doctors.
yeah, stay away from doctors. That's the thing I can say.
Wow. I love that. That was a beautiful portrayal from Dr. Sriram. Thank you so much and wishing you good luck.
Yeah.
Thank you.